Ho, 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 ho. This book is called Santa's Moose. I think you're going to really like this. Have you ever seen a moose in real life? Oh, they're huge. You won't believe how big they are. It was winter in the forest. Soon, Christmas will be here, said Milton the moose. Birds landed on Milton's antlers to rest, then flew south. The animals put holly leaves on their nests and caves. We're on our way to help Santa Claus, said 8 little reindeer. That sounds like fun, said Milton. He ran after the reindeer. May I please help pull your sleigh? Asked Milton. I've never used a moose before, but I'm willing if you are, said Santa. And across the sky they flew. The 8 little reindeer liked Milton. It was easy to pull the heavy sleigh with a big moose to help. But Milton did not know how to land on a roof. Ker-plunk, went Milton's big feet. Hush, you will wake up everyone, said Santa. Milton did not know Santa went down chimneys alone. He tried to go down too. You will get stuck, said Santa. Milton waited with the reindeer, but he wanted to see Santa fill the stockings and put presents around the Christmas tree. He leaned over the roof to peek, and down he fell. Uh-oh, oofta. I guess I should go home. I guess I will never be good at this, Milton said. Yes, you will, said the reindeer. None of us were good in the beginning. All it takes is practice, said Santa. Please stay. So Milton flew all around the world with Santa and the 8 little reindeer. He learned to land on a roof. He learned to stand still and wait for Santa. Even when it took him a long time. At one house, Santa let Milton and the reindeer stay on the ground. Milton watched Santa put presents under the Christmas tree and candy in the stockings. Christmas is the best time of year, said Milton, but the little reindeer were tired. We cannot go another step, they said. The load is so heavy this year. But if we stop, there will be no presents for millions of children. Do not stop, cried Milton. I can pull the sleigh by myself. Milton flew ahead. The 8 little reindeer glided after him. All the toys were delivered. Thank you, Milton, the reindeer said. We could not have done it without you, said Santa. Will you help us next year? Of course, said Milton. Merry Christmas, said Santa. Merry Christmas, cried the reindeer. Santa and the reindeer flew back to the North Pole. Milton went back to the forest. Merry Christmas, everyone, he said. He thought of Santa. He thought of the 8 little reindeer. He thought of next year when he would help them again. Joy to the world, he said, and peace on earth. Oh, I just love that story. Did you like today's story? Oh, good. It's kind of funny thinking about a big old moose joining the reindeer, isn't it? Oh, well, I tell you what, I need your help. My name is Singing Santa, and every day of the week I post a brand new Christmas book for kids or a Christmas story. So hit the subscribe button. That way we can celebrate Christmas all year round. I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great rest of the day. Bye. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Subscribe now. It's free. Ho, 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 ho.